You wanna see where I got this amazing radio-controlled UFO? Keep watching the video. You won't regret it. Hello fellow viewers, subscribers and friends, how are you doing? Today I bring you a new toy. I never tried a drone, so I got myself a drone, my first drone. Alright, I'm gonna do the unboxing of this and try to fly it. We'll see how it goes. This was sent to me by AliExpress. This costs around 25 US dollars, something like that. Price will be on the screen, as I always do. During this first week of January, I wanna point you that AliExpress is on winter sale, so they have coupons on their site. You just have to register on the app if you're not already and grab that discount, alright? And this way there is $3 off on $29, so this will cost you $3 less, alright? So go grab that discount codes. Don't forget to use my affiliate link for this product, and I will also leave an affiliate link so you can buy other products on their website. You just need to click. I will put down there in the description saying for other items link, and I'll put the link, and I will put drone link for this one. Alright, I really appreciate your support because that helps me make these videos. Alright, this drone comes in two colors, yellow and white. I went for the yellow one because I thought it would be easier to see it during daylight. This has an awesome LED colors, one click wrap, so it does a circle automatically, one click rotation, it does flips automatically. You have 3 speeds. There's a model that comes with a watch to control the drone. I didn't got that one. Mine only has a remote, and it has obstacle avoidance. So yeah, and pressure altitude, so it knows how higher it is. Yeah, but obstacle avoidance with all these features for only $25 to try a drone. I think I couldn't pass it. Alright, so let's open the box and see what we got inside. This is the drone. It has protection on the blades, so you don't harm yourself or broke the blades easy. It looks like an UFO for me. I chose this one because I like it, that it seemed to be an UFO. This is the transmitter. It has several buttons. You have spare blades, this screwdriver, and it comes with the charger. I'm using the charger to charge the battery. This is the charger that it comes with. And it comes with instructions. And for me, that never used the drone, I need this for sure. It explains here how to work with the drone, how to take flight, calibrate it, I'll move it up and down. I'll have to use this to use the drone for sure. Alright, so I'm gonna put the batteries in and we'll see. Alright, I'll be right back. To put the battery, you have this sliding cover on the rear. The battery is removable, so you can buy other batteries, which is nice. Now let's see the instructions. Alright, let's see. Now the controllers, I'm gonna say to you really fast. To do rotation, long press here. This button here also serves the purpose of trimming if the quadcopter is leaning left or right. You'll adjust it here when it's hovering, when it should be stopped. You do small adjustments here. I tried this, it works, but the airplane, the quadcopter, it can't stay completely stationary all the time. But yeah, it's a $25 drone, so it doesn't have a facing down camera. Alright, on the right you have the trim adjustment for front and back. Here, of course, the stickers. This makes the quadcopter go left, right, front and back. This here, as you see, turns on the motor. When you press down, turns off the motor. When you're in flight, it will lift or go down. When you push left or right here, the quadcopter, the drone, turns, so rotates on its own axle. Alright, to the left or to the right. So this is to position the front of the drone. Here we have the headless mode with a long press on this top left button. And headless mode just means the blue light, it's the forward of the drone. If you turn on this mode, it won't have that. You turn it and it will turn. It doesn't matter where it's facing. Alright? The button right beside it is to take off. Here, with a long press on this one, you have obstacle avoidance. Alright? I'll show you that. I'll try at least. And here you have the flips. You press this button, short press, at the same time that you choose the direction of the flip. Alright? So that's that. After that, to calibrate the drone, you have to put the blue light facing forward. You press the power button. When it starts blinking, you'll push down left and down right on the transmitter, and that calibrates the drone. Alright? Now, when the lights are like this in all the colors, it is calibrated. If it stays red and blinking, it's not calibrated. So the process is, you'll have to put it down. You always have to do like that. Have the transmitter off. Put the drone on the floor facing forward with the blue light. Turn it on. Turn on the transmitter. When it's blinking, pull the two levers and it's calibrated. Alright, let's put it down because I want to show you the light modes. To change the lights, you will press this top right button, the inner top right button, and it will cycle through several light modes. I do love the light on this. It really looks like a UFO. Alright, that's that. Let's put it down. Alright, let's turn on the lights so you can see the lights. This is first speed. To change the speed is the top left button. Sometimes when you will lift it up, it does lose calibration. When I was changing the light modes, maybe it lost calibration. When you crash, you should calibrate it again. Not always, but sometimes, yeah. So let's put it down. Power button. Turn on the transmitter. It's blinking. It's calibrated now. Let's put it on the air. Let's try to use, yeah, a flip. Very nice. I'm gonna try to do just one more. Alright, let's try the obstacle avoidance. It's on. So now, you see, when it sees my hand, so it has 4 cameras, one facing each side. Alright, let's turn it off. It's off. Alright, now let's turn on rotation mode. Long press here. Yeah. Let's put it more in the center. Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. So that's the tricks you can do. And now it's just flying around. Let's change the speed. I think this is third speed. Yeah, this is first. Second. And third. You can clearly see the difference. It's much faster on third speed. Yeah, very nice. Very nice, it flips very nice. It's getting low battery. Battery is out. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do recommend this product. This is awesome. It's pretty fun to use. You can give it to a kid and you can use it at home because it's not dangerous. The blade's all protected. You should buy. The one thing I do miss on this is 2 batteries, so please choose the 2 battery option because it will have more time of fun, so you can learn. Alright? But this is an awesome product. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up. Consider subscribe to my channel if you're not already. If you want this product, use the links down there in the description. They are affiliate. Once again, thanks for your company and see you next time. Bye bye.